In today's topic, I'm going to walk through one of my student project. Let's get started. Hello all, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. So in today's topic, I'm going to walk through one of the mobile application project. This is a UI design focused project. And that student had done game streaming application. So I'm going to walk through that. So this is a project, is a game streaming mobile application design. So here what happened, the users can able to interact and collaborate and live streaming they can do while they are playing. And this is a color palette and this is a typography hierarchy. So if you are going to working on any project, you have to showcase the typography or font hierarchy. So that what will happen, you are using the very limited fonts and also you are maintaining the hierarchy of the font. So that is one of the technical aspects. Most of the employers, they are looking into it. So he is also using very beautifully on the following the hierarchy patterns here. So he is showcasing the menu systems, iconography and buttons, grid layouts and what kind of a grids that he used. So here, this is also very important. If you are going to showcase or if you are using any grid system, you have to showcase to or you have to exhibit into your project. So that will be an added value into your presentation, right? So because of the reason is you are following any grid system that is developer friendly designer. So you are projecting yourself as a developer friendly designer. So that is what he had done here. Next, he is showcasing a lot of UI screen. So first thing is he is showcasing the login and sign up sections. Then he is showcasing the home and story sections. Then live streaming area. So here the users or the players, they can be able to engage with the other fellow players and they can be able to giving the comments and live streaming options are there. And the profile sections, search and social functionality. And finally, he is including his prototype. So the prototype is Figma prototype. So this also will be adding a value to your project presentation. So if it is possible, you can include your prototype into your portfolio. All right. If you are going to showcase your mobile application presentation, so you need to include these elements. So not only your mobile screens, you have to showcase your design systems and if possible, you have to elaborate everything as much as possible so that will be adding a value to your project presentation, right? So this project will be part of your portfolio, so you are adding a more value to your portfolio also. All right, so I am giving this project link in the description and you can go and check it out. And if you feel this will be very useful to one of your friends, please share this video to them so they will also get a benefit out of it. All right. So I hope you like this topic. And if you have anything, we will discuss in the comment section. And I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye.